Tired of spending hours meticulously creating realistic embroidery designs in Photoshop? Achieving authentic stitched effects quickly and easily often seems impossible, demanding advanced skills and complex adjustments. Introducing the Realistic Embroidery Photoshop Actions, your ultimate shortcut to stunning, lifelike embroidery. Instantly transform any text or shape into beautiful stitched artwork with incredible ease and speed. Apply professional-grade embroidery styles with just one click, offering unmatched versatility for any font, logo, or custom shape. Explore a rich collection of stitch types, including elegant satin, intricate cording, classic fill, running, cross-stitch, and white stitches. Customize designs with up to 10 thread colors for vibrant patterns and enjoy high-resolution 2000 by 2000 pixel results at 300 dpi. All layers are neatly organized for simple adjustments, and the actions are fully non-destructive to your original image. These actions are compatible with Photoshop CS3 through the latest Creative Cloud versions. The package includes 6 distinct styles, 10 color swatches, a background texture, plus a comprehensive video tutorial. Stop wasting time on manual embroidery effects, elevate your designs, and save valuable hours today. Get the Realistic Embroidery Photoshop Actions now and start creating stunning visuals effortlessly. Find the direct link to purchase this essential tool in the description below.